they make I feel this way. Nobody, I said nobody, oh, they make me feel this way. And so I thank God for you. Cause you be blessing to me, and you be blessing to me.
You should call me anytime you want to. You can text me any.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to review the new collection from COLORCL.com. So this is going to be a very quick video. Okay, so I just received it now, like 10 minutes ago. So yeah, they ship it on 20th of this month, and I received it today, which is 25th. Okay, so it's written over here. I don't know if you can see it. So yeah, this collection is going to be available from the 1st of July, but first of all, let me open this, okay, and see what's in here. Oh, today I don't have any makeup because this heat won't allow me to do anything, nothing, so no makeup for today. So they sent to me this over here. So let's see what's in here. Let's see. Espera que creo que me está entrando el calor. Wait a minute. Wow, this is so cute. I prefer this than the weekly edition, the Siesta weekly edition. I prefer this one. Like, this looks so luxury. This looks so cute. Oh my god. Oh my god, does it look gorgeous? This collection is the Siesta Pearl edition. Okay, it's going to be available on the 1st of July. You can go and check all the contact lenses they have, because they have quite a lot of contact lenses that you might like. Okay, but these particular ones are going to be available from the 1st of July. Okay, so you have 5 to 6 days to buy this ones. So yeah, I love the packaging. I prefer it more than the weekly edition. This looks more cute for me. It comes in brown, blue, green, gray, and purple. Oh my god, let me read a little bit the information they gave to me to tell you guys. Okay, let me just read what's up. This design is two-tone lens with a silver pearl pattern in the center. The silver pearl is not over-glazed and shines gently. The price is $15 for one box, which it contains one pair of blister lenses case in a box. So before, I thought that you can get this 5 for $15, but no. Each pack like this, you will get the contact lenses inside with the lace. So this over here costs $15, but with my discount code GLOW10 you can get it for $13.50. okay, GLOW10, don't forget. Vale. So let's check this contact lenses and see what's good. I like the packaging so much. This is the front of the packaging and this is the back. Okay, and it tells you the color over here. Someone can die in this heat. Alguien puede morir con este calor. Oh my god. Oh my god. It came with this cute case. How cute. Then the lenses. I think this blue is too sharp for me. I don't know. But let me try. Right, let's see what's good. This is the pearl blue. Okay, it tells you the name over here. So let me try and see how the color will look on me, because like dark-skinned girls with this kind of blue eyes is not advisable. But anyways, let's see. Okay. It really looks light. It doesn't look like that sharp, so it looks good. So Man. Okay, so this is the Siesta Pearl edition in the blue color. Okay, so yeah, the blue looks a little bit strange on me. I look very scary, but anyways, I'll be trying the remaining 4 colors in different videos for you guys to see the outcome, for you guys to see how it looks on dark skin girl like me. Okay, but this is the pearl blue. So if you want to get this collection, you can get it from the 1st of July. Okay, so you have 5 days to go and order it. This is how the contact lenses look on me with the ring lights on. Okay, so let me reduce the lightning. This is reduced lightning, and this is without ring lights. Okay, as many of you asked me in my previous videos how the contact lenses look without ring lights, so this is how it looks. Okay, but I'm having natural lighting from outside, so yeah. So yeah, there is a lot of difference actually. Oh my god, this looks so scary. So my cuties, this collection is going to be available on their website from the 1st of July. Okay, so you can go and order another ones if you want. They have many contact lenses to choose over there, but if you want these particular ones, you will get them from the 1st of July. Okay, so I'll be reviewing these colors in another video, but don't forget, if you want to order any contact lenses from COLORCL.com, use my discount code GGLOW10 to get 10% off from each order you have from that website. Okay, so if you may ask, this week I've done a tutorial on my YouTube channel. Okay, so I'm going to leave also a link down below. Okay, so my cuties, thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video and this video was helpful for you, don't forget to like, subscribe right there, click the bell button over there, and share, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
I know they want make you go, want make you stay in bed watching your pretty face. Baby girl, I be selfish with you. Girl, I be selfish with you. No, they want make you go, want make you stay in bed watching your pretty face. Baby girl, I be selfish with you.